Hi everyone, and today I have an unboxing video. I have another e.l.f. haul, and of course I got one last night. Do I look too orange? It's a really gloomy day. I guess I'll just do it like this. It's like thundering out. I just got home from Shoppers because I went outside all day to the park, and it was like degrees 20. So I'm just going to cover up the address, and let's get right into it. Hope there's no interruptions, because that would suck. If it does, I'm sorry. Don't hate on me, because my other one sucked last night. And I uploaded it last night, I think. Sorry, I'm really bad at opening packages. No interruption. Sorry, I'm really praying for no interruptions at this moment. My dinner's cooking, so I really have to be really fast if I want no interruptions. So, oh my god. And this is a size medium box. So, paper. My thing, just let me see if anything was removed. Yeah, I think it's all good. So, here's one bag, and then here's the free kit I got after. I'll show you that after. So this is the stuff I picked up. Not much. So I picked up the golden bronzer. I'm not going to unpackage everything just in case I have to redo this. Looks like this. It's in golden. And I'll just like it. Oh, I've heard so many people rave about this. See, eyelash curler. I believe this was $1. So I had to get myself one. My matte lip color. This is in Tea Rose. Nice. Yep. Other matte lip color in Natural. And then this is my free gift. Got a Hyper Shine lip gloss. Free. I think if I don't like the color, I'm definitely going to give it to my friend. Not going to waste anything. So next, this is stuff I got for free. This is the Sunkissed set. I got it for free. So here it is. Let's just go right through it. Sorry, I hope you can't see anything. I don't want to ruin it. Oh my god, I hate drawstrings. They're cute, but like, seriously, don't pull it right close because that annoys me so much. Just leave it how it is, because now I need to cut the beautiful bag. Good. So I'll actually open it. So, I got the waterproof eyeliner pen in black. So this is all free. So it looks like that. I got the waterproof lengthening volume mascara. This was all free. So I used the coupon code. I got the eyeshadow brush, which I got last night. So I got another one because I always heard how good these things were and how different they can all be. I got an eyelid primer, which I already have, which I love. Nice and sheer. I'm so excited. I got a glassy gloss in Honeydew, and I've never had one of these. Okay, so let me make sure I don't miss anything. And I got an all-over color stick in Golden Peach, which looks like that. Free. Got a cream eyeshadow in Dawn, which is really pretty. I like that one. I got the lotion wipes in vanilla and coconut. I got a nail polish. It's just new formula. This one's in champagne. It looks like this. This is not a champagne color. I don't know if I like this new formula, but whatever, it's here to try. That's what it looks like. Then I got a wristlet for free. Wristlet. So that's the Sunkist set. Then in here, I got the makeup cleansing cloths, makeup remover cleansing cloths, because I heard so much about these. I got another brush holder because you'll see. See, I got one yesterday when I ordered the first time. I got the daily brush cleaner, and this is huge compared to the makeup misting set. Now I don't know if this leaked. I hope it didn't. Yeah, I probably shouldn't open that. I'll check if it leaked. Then the most exciting thing, I got the 11 Please brush collection, and this is quite small. And I already have 3 brushes out of it. I got the complexion brush out of it, got the blush brush out of it, and I got the eyeshadow C brush out of it. So those are just there, and I'm super excited for this. And there was no interruption, so I really hope you liked this unboxing haul. And this came really fast because the one I did last night, I ordered a week. This one I ordered a week after it, and it came the next day. So I'm really excited. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.